Welcome to day 3 of the Porsche 931 engine teardown saga. So obviously intake manifold is off, which was pretty simple, and that gave me really good access to that pulse sender for the K-Tronic. There it is. That's the one that is unobtainium, and oddly enough, it doesn't have a connector. It just goes right into the firewall. So I'm not sure where that ends up inside. At some point it's got to go to the DME or ECU, whatever Porsche wants to call it at this point in time, 1982. However, it appears to be intact. And I noted it looks like it's just counting teeth on the flywheel, and you know, it's pretty straightforward. It's, in fact, this sensor is much shorter than the sensors in the 944, which you have a speed sensor and a reference sensor. So interesting little item. I'm going to prep this thing, get the motor mounts loose, get this ready to come out. So I'll be back. It's the first time I've tried to use a lift to pull an engine. I had that bar which sits on the strut towers to support an engine when you drop front suspension. But heck, I figured might as well give this a shot, see how it works. I have the driver's side motor mount out. Now I'm trying to fish out the passenger side, which is all the way down in there. And then we'll start lifting up and see if we can work this thing out of there. Stay tuned. All right, well, it's out. Wasn't too bad. Passenger side engine mount was a little troublesome, but once I got it all loose, it just kind of fell down underneath. Would definitely be easier without the bell housing on. It just gets really tight in the back there with all the hoses and everything. So hopefully I didn't monkey things up too bad. Now plan is pull the car back as far as we can, got a big iron road case over here, set the engine down on it, and then eventually get it on a engine stand. So feeling good about all this, I reckon.